Yeah, people. Morning. Right now, yeah, I'm going to do some little job play for me. I cut them off in the morning. You see that? Yeah, man. So welcome to Freelance Jamaica. Man. TV, like, share, comment, and subscribe. We have one more on our side. So one more, yeah? Catch back I want up on the left and on my paper. So let's stick and stay and watch for that. Okay, so. Yeah, we are going to move them up, you see me? Yeah, man, you see that? So we are going to move them on back so they can go even bigger, you see me? Yeah, man, so you see, can see what you are going. I work on that one, so now. Get him active, see my peeps. So, that is it. So that's a show now we maintain the farm, isn't it? Yeah, man, you see that? That's how we maintain it. You have to mulch on the root them, keep them going. So they grow. If I don't do that, they're not going to really grow that fast. Understand, guys? Yeah, man. So we are going to do this one right now. Do the same procedure. Yeah, man, you see that? So we maintain the farm, guys. So right now, we have like 2 more over the section left to do. Across the free over there, so over there. Yeah, so when we finish, we're going to check in for that right now. Yeah, alright, though, peeps, them are the pier. But, you know, trouble that one, them are mulch for that one. That one, they are alright. That one, I know one. Some grooming, you see that? You want some grooming. Get some grooming now. So you can grow. So you can grow faster. See? Yeah. So I'm going to push up taller. And the garlic them there, so. So you pepper them the back end. Yeah, man, so the farm look there already. I'm going to chop. Yeah, man. So we have to maintain it, you know, guys, in order for it grow. Yeah. Yeah, man, freelance, that's how we do it. So the one are pretty and nice. The one are come pretty at all. The one I just start pick up, see me? We had the pumpkin them there, so see me. And the pepper then are ready for transplant yet, guys, so I will take our time with that. Otherwise, some nuts to the pumpkin them, man. Yeah, man. Then force. My shed leaf, put on new leaf. Ready for run, you know. And then start run a problem. And then, yeah, man, look at tomato tree right there, so me I watch it up here. See tomato that, you know. There's how they put some there so but they not grow. Yeah, so it come grow. Alright, we're gonna watch it save me. When you get a little bigger, I may transplant to somewhere else. Yeah, but the farm is a good look, guys. It's really a good look. Yeah, see that? It's a good look freelance, man, isn't it? Yes, guys, it's a really good look. Even though the water, them news that the water contaminated, having feces, you know, so we have to be careful. And we don't have no rain and fall, you know, so you know a drought. I tell you, it's rough. I wash you another pipe. Yeah, but yeah, I'm all around some roots. See it? Yeah. And we have Aki. What is for Aki? Yeah, man, Aki season there, guys. What is for Aki? Yeah, I gotta burn some rubbish. I'm gonna go move them, carry them down there. Which are them supposed to go? Yeah, man, but the farm is a good look, guys. We are going to maintain it and keep it productive. So I hope you learn what you can have with your people. Yeah, man, you have to hope you learn a whole lot. Yeah, you follow them there. The nice bees just fly past. You follow them over there, so I make nice. It's a good look, man, I like it. Look good. Yeah, I feel accomplished. Yeah. Let me get some more pepper in, but I want to clean some over there, so. And plant them on there over there, so. We can't do overcrowd right, I say, you know. And we don't have a pear and we put some of them right aside already, so we don't want to overcrowd it. But it's a good look so far, guys, honestly. Yeah, it's a really good look, and them are come on great. So them do that one that's a banana and so you're not going to push so fast like you plant them. We'll still mold them up so they can push a little further. Because when you mold them, you know, they can grow faster. I'm showing you this one there, never so tall. The one more you sucker, shubble. The more sucker, the more banana, more plant. Yeah, them one then start busting no sucker yet. But we know them soon start. Yeah, man, one of them mulch up, see that? Pine, pumpkin, tomato, pepper. I'm showing you the pepper them, guys. On the side and this side over here. Yeah, here we have the peppers. See the peppers them here? All of them look on us a pepper. Yeah, so we're ready for transplant. That's not pepper though. See more pepper there. Pepper, pepper, pepper. Yeah, man, see pepper them a grow. Them a get fat. Yeah, man. I want pepper tree this thing. Wash one I see wash go out the center, guys. We plant some sweet pepper right there, so, but through the youths them a run up and down in the yard and I get for cut. The greatest things that we still have planned. Yeah, man, go and look on the fall. Inside fall cool, is it? Yeah, man. I'm active. I'm go and eat. Yeah, man, we are ready. There's water. So a couple of them are going to there. Yeah. And then we'll try to finish up this now. So we can move them over and get some more. Yeah, freelance. It's a good look and we also clean the land too, you know. Just in case. You know? We end up and do some cleaning yesterday, see that? We remember the last video, right? As I never so clean. Yeah, so we might do little farming over here so too. With the color of them and them thing there.
I them jump off, you know?
Coconut.
Yeah, with the boss.
Okay. Coconut tree there.
I them jump off.
So people, we are close the video now. Thanks for watching. And remember, Freelance Jamaica TV. We out here and we out here without fear.